Hello everybody, welcome back to Vast Sloss, and today we're playing Alba, a Wildlife Adventure. This is part 2, so go see part 1, but yeah. I don't fully remember. Okay. Phone to take pictures. So we have to go to, what did I get this? I'm gonna make it like a music video. That's where I gotta go. Yeah, so last time I remember we saved the dolphin. So yeah, let's keep on going. Okay, football. Oh, sorry. I was miles away. Amazing what these smartphones can do. When I was your age, all we had were record players. We couldn't carry one of those around in your pocket. Of course I did the old voice and the last line. The proud opening of the nature reserve. Oh, hold on. Gotta take a selfie of this moment. Over here, we're curious what the mayor's gonna say. Okay. Maybe he'll announce the restoration of the nature reserve. You know, after that fire last winter nearly destroyed it. You got here just in time. And the restoration will be active. The nature reserve been abandoned far too long. Bro, this is the most... Why do they talk so slow? You can't keep talking it. My voice gonna die. Granddad told me. You even saw links? I did. Yes, the king of the forest. I saw it right here in the nature reserve. Like, so jealous. I want to see the links too. Don't make me find the links. Hey, I think the video's about to start. Yo, music! This is hype music, bro. Of the nature reserve. We are going to transfer it into... What is it? Bruh. Don't worry, you are this luxurious hotel. You all know the nature reserve is sadly beyond safe. But this new hotel will breathe new life into our wonderful island. We're glad to get together with all our visitors. We give a warm welcome to Paco, the man behind the hotel. Thank you, Tommy. My vision for the hotel is all about the luxury, comfort, and opportunity. I'm gonna stop talking in voice. Not even the sky is the limit. There are no limits. I'm pretty sure there is limits. My company will build the hotel in record time. In fact, we've already started construction. Thank you, Paco, for your inspiring words. This concludes the announcement. Thank you all for coming. Please take no questions. Oh, what now? Let's go to the hotel. Interesting. Nature reserves beyond saving? We'll see about that. Let's investigate. Okay, fine. It doesn't even look like they started construction. Trash can loads me. Let's go. Birds. And yes, the ducks appeared around. We put like 4 things of things in the trash. Worry not, feathered friends. The owl got this. Let's keep going. Elba. Gonna remind people how nice this place is. Can I take a picture? I want to take a picture. Dang it. Get closer. Yes, let's go with me. Oh, it's Tommy. Look at me go. Another trash can loves me. Swans, ducks. We're not picking up the water, we're picking up the wind. Picking up the ground. Birds with green heads. Never seen them before. Find out what they are. Fine. For you, yes, I will. What is this thing? Swan. Duck. I thought they were common. Finally, I've been looking for them all over. Greetings, fellow nature enthusiasts. What's your name? I'm Clara, president of the Wildlife Association. Our goal is to document all the creatures on this island. She's gonna make me do it. We got our own wildlife rescue beat, but, Probably sound from last episode. Current mission, rescue the nature reserve. Stop the hotel. Join us. I like this idea. My colleague Albus has already done all the... No, I haven't. I'm like 4 years old. Very funny. Oh, apparently I have. Of course I'll sign up. Great idea collecting signatures to stop the hotel. Yes, that's exactly what was our plan, and it always has been. Gonna need like lots of signatures, like 5. I don't think there's 5 million on this island. 5 million. I'd say about 50 signatures should do it. I'll convince you if I find it opportunity. In fact, the colleague of mine is looking for sparrowhawks. Apparently they are nesting in the woods near town. I'm scared of sparrowhawks. I'll get a signature for sure. Excellent. Alright. Let's go. that, then I would like what? Like, dang. Pretty sad. Okay, it's like actually like I'm pretty sure that's actually the guy. The man, the myth, the legend. Ooh, I just feel like a giant can of tentacles inside the there. That a lobster? No, it's just a squirrel. Man. The squirrel's been drinking the weird gooey stuff. I'm all bro, it's just Jello. We gotta help him. I'll keep an eye on our little friend. Oh, no, oh my way. Wish I could move this now. No. Ah. Close. Very quiet. Ow! No! Hold on. Wait, can I zoom in? Oh, I can zoom in. What does it say? Let's go. Hey, buddy, you the man who spilled the chemicals? A huge bird fly over me earlier. Some kind of hawk thing. Must be nesting beer ride. It went right over my head. Over towards the orange farm. I thought it was coming from my lunch. I was quite a shock. It's a dog. Oh, bro? Or is that a... It better not be a bear. That's a cat? Oh, okay, that actually makes sense. What am I supposed to do? Ask the vet. Oh. Got it. Oh. Look at this man. Okay. Alright. We need to check that. Yeah, I know this ass can love me. Maybe this cat. What's up, bro? There we go. I'm Simon. Your Alba from the newspaper. Is it correct? Of course I can help you. Bro, you want so He did something. Ah, there's our patient. Let me have a look. This is not good. Our squirrel friend is poisoned. Let me help the little one. Ow! We're gonna take samples so I can run some tests. In the meantime, Rangers, I need your assistance. I'm pretty sure I saw 6 animals nearby. Take this first aid kit and help them. Let's go. Of course, we got this. Go for Alba's help the animals. Yeah, bro. Yes, so far we've gotten trash can smoke, the basket smoke, and now squirrels. We got it on track. This man. There it goes. 2018. Yeah! Baby, look at this going. Thank you so much for this. Sign your petition. Let's protect the wildlife and nature reserve. And please keep the first aid kit in case you find more sick animals. Tomorrow I should hopefully be able to tell you more about the gill. And that's it. Alright, collected first signatures. Check. Case girlfriend. Go. Tomorrow's Wednesday festival. Tomorrow's Wednesday. Festival. Saturday. You're leaving Sunday. But that day we're gonna deliver the petition to the mayor Friday afternoon. 3 days to collect all the signatures you need. Accept this challenge. We got this. Great day today. Tomorrow we're gonna get even more signatures. I gotta go now. It's like good night, Alba. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, it literally just Alright, 20 animals now. Is that a sick animal? Hold on. Oh, I think it's the same. It's the thing. Oh, wait, is it? Let's go. Doesn't that mean I have a signature now? Let's go. Let's go. Another trash can. Alright, so I probably have to talk to people. Talk to your grandparents at home to end the day. Alright. Home. Oh, actually really close. Walk through the bushes? Dang it. Which way is it? How do I get into my own home? It's from over there. Ah. Let's go. Through the bushes we go. Armor, what a day. And what a shame about the nature reserve. Well, I imagine all the good luxury of the tourism coming back, business reopening, new jobs. Our children don't need to move away anymore. It's going to do it. I'm not even gonna try. The whole island. But not by sacrificing the nature reserve. Don't forget, all the wildlife is their home too. My phone's been pinging non-stop about your petition now. Love the intentions. We're so proud of you, won't you? Here, pass me a pen and we'll send it, won't we? Sure. I mean, yes, of course. Let's go. 7 out of 50 signatures. We got this. You look hungry. Want to make dinner? Fantastic. Let's go eat. I think that's where we're gonna end it today. I'll see you in the next episode. Okay, well, I gotta How do I save? Alright, well, I'll figure that out off camera. Alright, well, I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications if you want to see more content from me. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.